Hello, I'm Brian Tracy, and today I'd like to introduce you to my friend, Stephen Alvey. You know, my old pal Zig Ziglar used to say that all outstanding people have an absolute sense of mission. Well, Stephen is one of those outstanding people with a sense of mission. Specifically, he's on a mission to help skyrocket your business. After spending several days working with him here in San Diego, I learned firsthand that he has an astonishing mastery of sales, persuasion, and copywriting, as well as unparalleled skill in digital marketing, online funnels, and profit maximization. On top of that, I know from personal experience that he's also a tremendous speaker and trainer. His powerful business acumen and unmatched ability to help people sell make him an invaluable mentor for those who are starting a business for the first time or who are growing their business as large as they can. His coaching, consulting, and training are, frankly, worth a king's ransom. Whatever you're selling, whether it's online or offline, high ticket or low ticket, Stephen will help you to sell better and better. So if you intend to drastically increase your profits or take your business to a whole new level, it's absolutely crucial that you work with Stephen Alvey right now.